Hey Internet, what's the difference between boiling pressures at supercritical, critical, and subcritical points? So, supercritical, there is no distinct phase change. The liquid uniformly and gradually expands into vapor. Subcritical pressure, there's always a distinct surface between the phases. Okay. So, a whole bunch of words, doesn't make too much sense, but if you look at this graph, it will make a lot more sense. Okay, so this one is supercritical. So, as you can see, it's just a curve. It gradually goes from liquid to vapor. So, it just naturally progresses and transforms from liquid to vapor. Then we've got your regular critical point. So this is the point where your critical temperature and critical volume meet, as you can see. Now, there is no real distinct change in this one either. Now, as you can see, the final one, subcritical, so you've got a sharp line rising, and then you've got this flat, which is the phase change, and then you've got a vapor curve over here. So if you take the summary and apply it to the graph, it will make much more sense. So the key thing that you need to know is supercritical is just the curve going from liquid to vapor, and same for regular critical. And then your subcritical, there is a phase change. So you'll have a sharp incline and then a flat. So it will plateau horizontally, and then you'll have a curve going to vapor. So if that is in your midterm or exams, just remember how to draw these curves for your graphs. Okay, now before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Click on New. Click on Video option, then New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. Hit the start button in Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends, because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.